Desi here. I'm gonna re-record the bias video because I guess my audio didn't record last night. So let's get straight into it. So it's gonna be a quick recap on what I think is gonna happen on NQ this week, and let's start off with the 4-hour chart and see what I'm looking at, or actually the weekly. So weekly is rejecting this 1 week fair value gap that we created up here, and keep in mind we do have some equal lows down here for our sell side liquidity. And if you go on to daily, we're starting to get some structure to the downside. We swept this buy side area right here, right? We filled that weekly gap, we swept our buy side target, and now we should look for a shift to the downside. And that the 4-hour is going to be the cleanest time frame to kind of see where the shift is coming from. So these are the equal lows down here on NQ, and this is the fair value gap we're in right now. But I do think this will become an inverse fair value gap, so what we could watch for is something like this to the downside, right, and take it all the way down here, or a move like this where we come up to this order block early into the week and then we come down right here. I think whichever one we do, the target's going to be the same, and we're going to come down to those equal lows on NQ, and this should be the draw on liquidity. It won't be a knife like that. If more realistic target would be, if we tap into the order block, we'll come in here, probably sweep this area, move back up here, tap into this order block, get a bounce here, and then it'll be something like this throughout the week. So if we fall, this is the bias going into probably if we don't get the targets next week, it would also be the week after for those targets. Hourly structure is shifting bearish here. We are getting break structure to the downside. We got some SMT with ES and NQ up here as well that you guys will be able to notice if you guys go on the 4-hour on ES. And I think the target's going to be very clear for this week. I'm going to be bearish. I will be looking for shorts, especially if we tap back into this area right here, right? This whole area will be an area of getting your short entries, and we'll take our swings on QQQ there, and kind of let this play out. But yeah, so hopefully we get a pop early into the week. I would like a Tuesday high model, and then it will come down rest of the day. Like I said, the downside is more aggressive than the upside, so we could see some a quick move up early in the week, and then kind of knife down rest of the week. We do have news 3 days of the week. I believe it is Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday are red folder days, and I think Powell is actually speaking on Thursday, so keep that in mind. So yeah, I think the framework for this week is pretty clear and obvious on what my bias is going to be, what I'm looking for. Definitely looking for shorts down here. I gave you guys a couple scenarios. I'll draw them out again. One will be if this flips as an inverse gap, we'll go like that. And the second one will be, or the one I actually want and would be more it would be easier to trade, will be something like this, and then we'll trade back into downside like that. So either way, whatever we get, we'll play the reaction off of what we get, but we are going to target these equal lows down here on NQ. So this is going to be the target for the week. Let's have a great week. We'll look to get some swings up here, and if you guys have any questions about this, just let me know. Shoot me a message or something in chat, and I could get to you guys, or down in the comments, because I might be posting this on YouTube as well. So just a quick bias video. The video that I had recorded earlier was about 11 minutes. The audio didn't record, so I'm just gonna quickly put this out there. I'll put some I'll probably put some text out there as well, on what I'm looking for throughout the week. Like I said, Monday or Tuesday high would be perfect, and then kind of drop down for the rest of the week. This is the area where you want to kind of look for your shorts, and then if we do tap into this order block, our swing position would be something like this. This would be our swing position target, good risk to reward, and that is something that I'll take 10 out of 10 times on the higher time frame. This relative equal lows right here, they were left for a reason. I do think though that reason is going to be presented this week, and we are actually going to target these lows this week. So we are bearish. Let's hope for a good week, and we are going to have a good week. Let's not hope, we are going to have a good week. and I'll see you guys in the next one.